What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Tactical Advantage. Today what we're doing is getting my Sig X5 Legion, my new range gun, kind of ready for its first range day. So the first thing we're going to try and do, even though I haven't shot this gun, which I hate doing it, but I'm going to start modifying it before I even get it to the range the first time. And what we're going to try and install today is this GoGun USA Gas pedal for the Sig P320 carry gun. That replaces the takedown lever, which you'll get a better look here in a second. But really quick video, we're just going to install this. It should be a really easy, quick install. But I hadn't seen one online, so I thought it might make sense just to make a quick video for it. So with that, let's get started. So first things first, we're going to basically field strip the X5. So basically you just lock the slide back, roll the takedown lever, let the slide go. You don't have to pull the trigger on the SIGs to get them to break down. And there you go. Alright, so at this point we're just going to go ahead and remove the takedown lever. Comes right out. Okay, and at this point we'll go ahead and install the GoGun USA gas pedal takedown lever. Pretty simple stuff. Just get her to line up. And that's it, it's in. Okay. Go ahead and reassemble. Okay, so that's it. Installed. So it looks good, it looks big, but interestingly enough, I haven't taken this gun to the range yet, but when I was dry firing it a little bit, I really cammed forward a lot on my weak hand grip, and I didn't really have an index point on this gun. So when I saw this, I saw a couple people had installed them, and it looked interesting. So this actually forces your hand back into a more traditional kind of opposable grip, which is kind of interesting for me. But yeah, it looks like it'll be interesting. So this Sunday, we're actually taking this gun out for the first time. I'm going to run it through the Dot Torture Challenge, do some holster work with it, just try and get it tuned. But there you have it. First mod in. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.